Hi everyone, this is Lakshman. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to talk about one of the famous entry questions, that is, can we execute a Java program without main method? So this is one of the famous and frequently asked entry questions for beginners who are facing a technical down. Okay, so how do how can we solve this problem without main method? Can we execute any Java program? Yes, the answer is yes till JDK 1.6 version. Then how could do that? So to do that, we are using static block. Then what is static block? Static block is used to initialize the static data members. That means this block is executed before main method at the time of class loading only. Okay, so let me take one example, then you clearly understand this concept, how we can execute any Java program without main method. Okay, let me quickly open my Eclipse, and here I already written the code. So I am taking the class name as test, and I have written one static block here, and then main method. In that main method, I have given I am main method. So after compiling and execution, the output will be, see here, static block is invoked. The first statement is static block is invoked. The next one is I am main method. That means before main method only the static block is executing. Okay, then how can we can execute the Java program without main method? So let me write that one code. So here system dot exit. Yes, this is absolutely can execute this Java program till JDK 1.6 version. But from JDK 1.7 onwards, it will not execute without main method. See the error. Main method is not found in class Java 8 program. So please define main method as public static void main. Okay. But it is absolutely execute successfully till JDK 1.6 version. Okay. So you can say the answer is for that question. The answer is no, because JDK 1.7 onwards it will show error like main method is not found. But it is possible till JDK 1.6 version. You can say answer like that. Okay. So then you can explain about static block, and then you can give this example, then he clearly, then he will understand uh, about your technical skills. Okay, so thank you for watching.